Greetings everybody. Now we are testing the digital capacitor again. We are not, there is a problem here in this device, in the RLC meter. It's not accurate and it's not calculating low capacitances and inductance very well. We are trying our best right now. We are now incrementing the digital capacitor. As you see, it's incremented using the push button. When we use it, it's incremented periodically. Also, if we want to decrement the digital capacitor, we are just going to change the up and lower pin to ground. It should be now decremented. Press the button. It's almost, yeah, it's decremented, but it's varying from this machine. It's not very well. Decremented again. You see, it's now decremented. That's what we have done until now. We made sure that the digital capacitor is working very well, and the problem that we got in the lab was from the push button itself. It was connected to a lid, and that lid was damaged. That's it for now.